on this wig. Okay, so just starting out, I'm going to tell you guys that I completely transformed this wig, which is a good thing. Okay, it is a good thing. This wig, this does not look anything like the wig comes. Okay, I will be putting up pictures on how the wig comes, also what the wig looked like after I washed it and everything, so you guys can kind of see that I've really been working with this wig. And you can do like a lot of different styles. You don't have to just stick to one particular style with this wig. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna keep my hands in it because it just reminds me of my natural hair texture so much. Like, this is like my natural hair down to the T. Like, everything as far as like the luster of it, the way it feels, the way it reacts. I mean, this is just my natural hair. So let's get into the specs of the hair really quick. This hair comes from the company by the name of Wigs. Excuse me, I am looking at my phone of the specs, so y'all won't think I'm just looking down. Okay, so this does come from Wigs. Now the length is 16 inches. I did cut a few layers in this hair, so if you can kind of see, it's just a few layers on the sides, and kind of like I created like this little bang area. Okay, but it is 16 inches. It is 180% density. It is a very good density, like a very good density, I can say that. Now the texture is deep wave. I know y'all gonna be like, deep wave? That's not deep wave. So I'm going to throw up a picture somewhere in here so you guys can see exactly what the wig looks like and how it looks like straight out of the pack. Okay, straight out of the pack, it was very curly, like this these tight curls. And of course I washed it because at first I was gonna dye it. I didn't know what direction I wanted to go into with this hair, to be completely honest. I wanted to dye it at first, and I wanted to keep it like it was. Child, I didn't know. So I was like, okay, so let me just wash the hair and then I'll see kind of what I want to do with it. So I did wash it, and after I washed it, I will show you guys what it looked like after I washed it. Okay, so after I washed it, guys, it had like a nice little natural type wave to it, which I liked because you could also wear it like that too. Okay, and I did wear it like that. It's nice like that, with just that natural wave where like it's wet and it just dries into like this just wavy, beachy like look. I love that look. Okay, so I wore it like that, then I was like, I want to switch it up a little bit. So I actually curled this wig. Like, I curled the whole wig. Now, one thing I can't say about curling the wig, it did not hold curls well. Okay, that is one thing I'm going to say. Now, as far as like shedding goes and things like that, I haven't had shedding, matting, tangling, things like that. No, but when I curled the overall wig, because a lot of you guys ask, you know, can the wig be curled? I like to curl my hair. Like I said, it didn't hold curl well, so I did have to go in with quite a bit of this got to be spray. So if you do plan on curling it, let's try to go in with some holding spray, some kind of spritz or something to kind of lock those curls in and hold them in, okay? Because I did have a difficulty with my curls staying. So yeah. Now I was like, well, let me flat iron it because I want to see if this hair is going to get bone straight. Like, I'm trying to put it through the ringer. Like, I'm trying to see, you know, like, what's up. I already know that I can wear it in this like wavy type style, and then, you know, let me see if and then I can wear it curly. Let me see how it does straight. The hair gets bone straight, as you all can see. This hair is super straight. I can't, like I said, I can't really keep my hands out of it. I put a little layers like in the little bang area. I try to kind of frame my face. Y'all know I'm not a beautician, so I don't know too much, but I kind of put a little layers in there to kind of give me like that little fun look, to kind of mimic my hair, because this is how I actually wear my natural hair when I used to wear my hair, my relaxed hair. And this is exactly what it looks like. It mimics natural hair texture, and I think that's what I like about it so much. As far as the hairline goes, the hairline was pretty easy to work with. You guys know I really like their hairline, so it wasn't, you know, it wasn't hard to manipulate or anything. And I just laid a few baby hairs. You get a lot of parting space, so this is the amount of parting space that you get on the unit. Okay, you get a really good amount of parting space. Okay, but like I said, it's just nice. Like, I really like this wig. I've had it for a while, and I have really been testing it out because I know somebody's gonna ask, can you do this, 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 that? So I did it all with this wig, and I got multiple different looks. Okay, so just to let you know that if you want the nice versatile wig, and I'm just trying to show you guys different angles of it. If you want that nice, like, versatile wig that you can do a lot with, you want to wet it and wear it in a beachy wave look, you want to curl it and have like your little nice little curls in it, okay? You want to wear it straight, all right, give you like a nice little businessy everyday type look, you can do that and it still looks good. I have applied a lot of heat to this hair and still no heat damage, no problems or anything. This wig has the best density. As y'all can see, this is all the hair pulled to the front. I have cut some hair off, so keep that in mind too, but the hair is just nice. And a lot of people are like, girl, is that your hair? Oh, so you wearing your hair out now, so you got a perm. I'm like, girl, no, this is Wild Wigs. This is the Wild Wigs wig, okay? So yes, I think that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna hold y'all for too long rambling. Basically, I'm just kind of amazed. Wild Wigs ceases to amaze me. Like, their wigs are really, really good. If you're a first-time wig wearer and you're trying to get into the wig game, you want something affordable, something that's of good quality and that is going to last, I definitely recommend you check out the company. I will leave the links down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. What y'all think? Y'all think this is like my real hair? Okay, what y'all think? Would y'all think about purchasing this wig, being that it is so versatile and it looks so natural? Like, just let me know in the comments and I will be sure to get back with y'all. And yeah,